Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Cartier rimless sunglasses, model CT0041RS in color code 001. The color of the frame is brown, and these glasses are a rimless square shape. The lenses are brown gradient, and on its top right lens, you'll find the Cartier logo engraved in the lens, and the bridge is gold. The temples are brown wood. On its temple tip, you'll find the Cartier logo in gold, and the iconic Cartier Décor on its temple. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. Inside its nose pads, you'll find the Cartier emblem in gold. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the model number and color code of the frame, the dimensions of its temple, which is 140, and the Cartier logo in white. On its inner left temple is the Cartier logo in gold, the dimension of its temple, which is 140, and that the frame is made in France. The glasses also come with a white and gold Cartier box, a red Cartier gift box with the Cartier logo in gold on the front of the box, a black Cartier case with the Cartier logo in gold on the front of the case, a red Cartier booklet, a black Cartier cleaning cloth with the Cartier logo on the cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Cartier. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.